We are here at the Embassy Suites in Alexandria, Virginia. There's the elevators, and you got your classic Embassy Suite style atrium here. Let's go for a ride. I believe we got some Fujitec elevators here. Going up. Let's look at the cab. Let's see how high we can go. Okay. What floor would you like?
9. 8, I mean.
Oh, I think I know how it works. There we go. 7.
I think one of the lights is out.
It's possible the lights are just like burned out.
Oh. The floor sign is on.
Yeah.
This 7? Yeah.
This is 7. You go into 8, right?
Right.
Turn 8. Alright, you have a good day, sir. Gonna get off. There it goes. I'm guessing that one's set up to park in the lobby. Very nice. Well, you also have a smaller atrium here in addition to the main one. That's cool. There's a look at the rooms. I'm gonna take this opportunity to get a little hallway tour since I may not be able to get back up here. There's the elevator shafts themselves. There's the atrium, fountain, seating, and all of that. Typical older Embassy Suites fashion. I'm not sure what year this hotel was built, but I'm guessing it's probably a 90s hotel. Either 90s, maybe early 2000s. Somewhere in there. Let's go over here and get a little view. Definitely a super nice. And you also have a really small portion of the hotel that's like a traditional layout. Let's see if you can get a view over here. Oh, you can't really get much at all. Still worth looking just to be sure. There's ice over here. I'm guessing behind that door is probably the service elevator. Look at that atrium. I have a very good friend of mine that I know loves these Embassy Suites atriums. And I'd say this has got to be one of the nicest ones I've seen for sure. See old to the elevators going up and down, and the middle one we took up is just sitting in the lobby, like how it was when I found it. It's another ice machine. Okay. All right, let's head back down. Got classic Fujitec flush-mounted vanity-style buttons here, but... And you know what? I'm gonna send this one down, because I'd like to try to get one with a working indicator. Huh, nice, we didn't have to wait. We'll get a look at the cab from up here. Very nice. Here's your interlock. And we'll go to G. This one has a properly working indicator, but of course we're gonna watch the view. Very smooth, just like most Fujitecs are. And here we are in G. I guess we're not getting back up. Oh well. Glad I at least got one round trip. Well, there it goes.